So today is going to be a super fun 3-part video, so you're going to want to watch till the end and check below for all the timestamps so you can fast forward to what interests you best. Also, there are some secret timestamps throughout this video with instructions to comment below for a surprise, a shout out, and some love.
Hi guys!
Hi, how are ya?
This is Olivia. She's going to tell you a little bit about herself.
Hi, I'm Olivia at OMG Artistry. I'm a celebrity hair and makeup artist, and Anita and I today decided to team up and do our first ever collaboration.
Call it like the Instagram style.
Yes.
We're going to show you the whole process.
You ready to get started?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's do it. You're so welcome.
Alright guys, so in this video, we are going to be showing you the process to getting celebrity level hair. Everything from the length, the thickness, the style. She's going to give me a full-on celebrity hair makeover and I'm so excited. So first, she's starting off with tape-in extensions. These are by Aqua Hair Extensions. I'll link her and everything else down below. And she said that tape-in extensions are all the rave, especially for celebrities. They're so lightweight, they adhere to your hair, and they're really non-damaging. So if you're trying to grow out your hair super long and need a fast fix, they're one of the best methods you can use. And they're permanent in the sense that they last 6 to 8 weeks and you shower with them, swim with them, wash them, style them as if it's your own hair. And as you can see, she only uses such a thin amount of my hair to place them, so it gives a really natural, undetectable look and feel, and it's going to give me Kim Kardashian level hair. I cannot wait till you guys see the end result. So I know I have such long, thick, natural hair, so a lot of you guys are like, why are you putting these in here? But I wanted to try something different, just do a full-blown celebrity style, and more importantly, give you guys an honest review on different ways to get long hair fast. So I'm going to be doing a lot of videos like this on my channel with different methods, so you guys don't have to go out and try them out. Let me be your guinea pig and give you my honest reviews. FAQs, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer all of them. And quick, before Olivia shows all the styling secrets, comment down below who your favorite celebrity hair inspiration is, who you look up to, or what kind of styles you'd like to replicate. Now that we have the extensions all in perfectly, it's time for the styling. By the way, Olivia has these same Aqua extensions in her hair right now, and you can't even notice. It's amazing. I'm mind blown. But let's do a little collage, and then we'll go into how we get the celebrity / Instagram style curls. And by the way, you do not need extensions in any way for this look.
I'll give you everything, all that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me.
Alright loves, so for the style we decided to go with a super glam look that you actually can wear any day or any night. It's not too over the top, but that still turns heads and makes everyone wonder how the heck you did it. Alright, so first step is to separate the hair horizontally, apply some heat protectant, and then go in with about a 1-inch curler. And Olivia starts pretty close to the root, not too close, and then works her way down to the end. And you're going to see in each section she curls the hair the same exact way. So for this section we're curling it to the right. And a professional hairstylist tip is to start with a curler towards the upper middle section of your hair and then slowly work its way down to the end, like the tip of your hair. This will also prevent damaging your already damaged ends since it is the oldest part of the hair, or if you have hair extensions, it will make the hair curl last longer. And as you can see, you do not want to brush out the curls at all. You actually want them to set while they're in that tight curl. So let them cool off. That will just help the curl last longer, but she just sits it down on my back or on the chair. Now, since we're curling our hair in 1.5 inch sections, you're only going to need about 3 to 4 curls for each horizontal section. So as you can see, we're doing back sections and then we'll do the sides and the top. So we're just going to repeat that process in the same direction of curls. So you don't want to go one to the right, one to the left. You want to keep it uniform and curl all your hair to one direction. Now, one more huge hair tip before I speed up to the top sections is you do want to hold the hair while it curls, kind of lift it up so that that curl can last longer than if you just let it lay back or brush it out. Alright, so as you know, curling your hair, the process does take a while, but wait till you guys see these results. I'm literally shook. I cannot get over how beautiful and how different the simplest steps can be to change your hair from super tight curls to gorgeous, glamorous celebrity style waves. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram at AnitaSamantha, I always go live and show you guys what I'm doing that day, that hour. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and I will link Olivia's Instagram and stuff down below too. It's OMG Artistry. Alright guys, so for the top layers, you do want to hold the curling iron horizontally and make sure you get as close to the root as possible. As you can see, Olivia is doing that here just to blend out the curls nicely. Now I'm just going to part my hair on the side. I like to part it on. For me, I always part my hair on the left side, and then we are going to finish up this look with some great hair hacks. And a hairstylist secret is to always part your hair before you finish out styling the way that you'd like. That way everything looks uniform. And here we were just getting distracted by the horns on the wall. We had so much fun filming this, I can't even lie. So then we're going to finish out the front layers by just making sure we take everything away from the face and parting the hair the way that I like before finishing it off. Now remember, a big secret is to always take the curls away from the face for the front layers. And then she was showing me how you can really smooth out any edges with just the curling iron by rubbing it back and forth. Now, one of the best hacks that I learned today is to give your hair volume. You just have to do this motion with your curling iron like she's doing right here, and that's kind of like blow drying your hair upwards to give it volume, except with a curling wand it just saves you the step and it adds so much volume to the roots of your hair. Now for a step I never thought you should do. She's actually going to brush out these curls very slowly, very gently with a very wide brush. I will link all these products down below, and this is what's going to give our hair that beautiful, glamorous celebrity style wave.
This is just an anti-humidity spray, because with dark hair you always see those little pieces that pop out.
Now the next step is to tease your hair in the same direction that the wave is going. So you're going to see she's going to take like the indentation part of the curl and then brush upwards. This is just going to add so much volume, and then she'll just smooth it out a little bit, and this gives you that picture perfect, amazing hair. Now the last step is to just add a flexible hold hairspray, and comment me down below 9-minute mark so I can know who my loyal subscribers and watchers are. I'm going to show you so much love. Now let's finish up the video.
How beautiful and voluminous. This hair is so gorgeous, and it blends so naturally with her hair. Yes, gorgeous.
Amazing. Obsessed.
And look at how thick. So thick. Like this. Yeah, but yeah. So put your head back.